canceled. An historic form of transportation blends with modern-day vehicles in St. Augustine, but for years, horse and carriages have had their run-ins with cars. In one case, it's just reached a conclusion. First Coast News' Jessica Clark joins us from our Southern Bureau in St. Augustine. Jessica, the lawsuit just settled out of court here.
It did settle. The amount of the settlement is confidential. Here in St. Augustine, though, cars have had to share the roads with horses and carriages for decades now. A quiet carriage ride through St. Augustine turned upside down for the McFall couple in 2002. Here on Castillo Drive near the fort, the horse-drawn carriage veered into the path of a car, and the car slammed into the back of the carriage. The police report says the car's driver had a very high blood alcohol level.
The drunk driver was trying to pass the horse, unfortunately, at the time when the carriage veered into her lane.
The carriage seat that the McFalls were sitting on fell over backwards.
Threw them backwards out of the carriage. Mrs. McFall landed on her head, causing very bad neck injury to her.
Charles Sorensen is the McFalls' attorney, and he says Mrs. McFall had 2 neck surgeries due to the accident. The McFalls' lawsuit against the Gamsey Carriage Company, the carriage driver, and the driver of the car was just settled out of court. The case is an example of how areas like St. Augustine have road sharing issues and have for years.
If you go back in the law, back to when the horseless carriages first appeared, the horseless carriages were made to wait until the horses and carriages passed them.
So carriages had the right of way back then. Well, now carriages and cars must share the road equally. Carriage Company has been bought out by another company since the crash took place, and those carriages, they're considered slow-moving vehicles. That's a technical term. Legally, it means they can move very slowly along the roads. Reporting live in St. Augustine, Jessica Clark, First Coast News. Your news later.
All right, Jess, thanks very much.